New details as Georgians will now be able to claim their unborn children on their taxes. The state's Department of Revenue just handed down that decision yesterday. The Living Infants and Fairness Equality Act, or LIFE, allows parents to claim a $3,000 exemption as long as there is a detectable heartbeat. Now, normally, in order to claim a child, you're required to prove the child lives with you, and you can give their social security number. If you choose to file your unborn children, it will be listed as an income adjustment. Keep in mind, though, you may be required to provide further documentation to support your claim. It's also important to note here that this would be a state tax deduction, not federal.